QuickSilver Sound Architects here. Behind me we have a magnificent DB12, very new car, 2024. My boys this side of the pond are doing their work on this. This is going to have a Titan Sport rear section. It's floating around over there actually. But we have a world's first out here, a sneak preview for you guys. This is a 2024 V8 Vantage. It is the first one in the world to have a QuickSilver Sound Architect full setup. Yes, we have got the OPF delete pipes on the front and a Titan Sport Sound Architect rear section on the back. We're going to hear what it sounds like on the road, and I'm going to show you before and after and really show why with a brand new car, and I mean brand new with tags, 36 miles on the clock. They don't sound great from factory, but when they get the QuickSilver treatment, we really give the driver what they want in life and we give control back to you. With valves open and now valves shut, so it goes through a slightly more complex pass on the rear section, a little bit more refinement. Ready when you are. And there you have it, you literally heard it here first, world's first 2024 Aston Martin V8 Vantage with QuickSilver Sound Architect, Titan Sport system on the back and OPF delete pipes on the front. What more do you need to know? Well, stick around for behind the sounds where I will show you exactly what is on the car in more detail. Click, hit the bell, subscribe, and I hope very much to hear one of these on your Astons really soon, and I will see you all on the next one. Welcome back, thanks for sticking around. This is Behind the Sounds, where I show you exactly what goes on the car. Now, ironically, you've already heard the car. I haven't, because I flipped the bits, so we haven't actually put these pieces on the car yet, but I'm assuming it sounds amazing because you've stuck around this long. On the back of the car, we've changed the rear section. We've done something quite clever, because with this amazing brand new 2024 V8 Vantage, that system doesn't have valves. The ECUs nowadays are exceptionally clever. They decide what they're going to give you, what they're not going to give you for basically sound and performance. But it really does take a lot of the control away from yourself. So what we have integrated very cleverly with our rear section is our Sound Architect valve technology system, which is controlled by Bluetooth and an app and your phone, and you can turn it on and off, valves open shut whenever you desire. Very clever bit of kit. The valves sit on the system, it's wired, it goes up into the boot, it uses a 12-volt power source, and then, as I say, Bluetooth connected to your phone. So that's the rear section. It's also, may I add, oh, that's a DB12 in the background. Very similar design. It's a Titan Sport is what we call it, which means essentially it's a mixture of premium metals. And in this case, the silencer casing is made with a titanium wrap, which affects the sound very differently than if it was a stainless steel wrap. The pipes are stainless steel. They are basically a lot stronger, the stainless steel here, and it offers a slightly thicker gauge and a slightly different sound. It resonates very differently. This is like basically like the body of a guitar, as it were, and it really does make it ping and zing and give you all the different textures of note that you probably would like. And it doesn't come from factory like that, because the factory system is all stainless steel. It's probably around here somewhere. Talking of factory parts, the other thing we're going to do with, again, this amazing brand new car, I think it's only done 7 miles, so I hope I get to go out on the road with it. You already know if I do, is these. These are OPF delete pipes. They look simple, I know. It's just basically a pipe, you're telling me. Well, a lot of craftsmanship goes into this, using some of England's best exhaust makers. It has all the correct bends and obviously the bungs where it tells the engine that everything's okay. And what it does is it replaces this absolutely monstrous, hefty OPF filter, which is one of the primary reasons why your brand new Aston Martin sounds not as good as you want it to. And I assume, again, that is why you're here. So we're going to have already put them on. I hope it sounded good. If it did and you want to hear more, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. QuickSilver Sound Architects, we are turning some of the world's finest cars into the best sounding cars in the world.